In this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how you guys can log in into Xoom Money, also known as Xoom Money. Alright, so for those people who do not know Xoom Money, it is also known as Xoom Corporation and it is also linked with PayPal. Alright, so if you create an account in it, you guys are going to get many facility, like you guys can also use PayPal and other stuff. Alright, so let's get into the video. But before that, it's me, Vichy Kevin, and you're watching One to Step YouTube channel. And if you're new to this channel, be sure to hit that like and subscribe and notification on to get notified for a future video. Let's move on, shall we? First step is you want to search for Xoom Money. Then you want to click on where it says Xoom.com over here. Once you click on it, it's going to take you to its official website. Once you're over here, you want to click on login. Once you click on login, you just want to click on where it says login with PayPal or login with Xoom. If you guys want to log in Xoom with your PayPal account, you want to click on this. If you want to log in with Xoom with your Xoom account, you want to click on this. Once you click on it, it's going to ask you for an email address and password. You just want to enter your email address and password over here. After you do that like this, I entered my email. Now I'm going to enter my password. Now I'm going to click on login with Xoom. Now I should be able to log in into my account if the information I typed over here is correct. So that's basically it. So hope you guys were able to understand the video. If you guys did, be sure to hit that like and subscribe with notification on, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye bye.